Hey, what's up? Stock 5150. I got the volume profile on the chart this time. So what I did was I kind of came a little bit before the point of control at 420. We're at 460 now, and holding for up to 495. That's what we're shooting for, 495. I'm gonna close this one right quick. Sell both of them. And I'm gonna go long again. All right. All right. So now I'm waiting for pullback. Maybe I get down to 445 or so, 440. I'll go long again. Kind of pulled up, gapped up, played to the upside. Well, we're up above here. So what I'm trying to figure out is if this volume is super low too, though, man. 1 o'clock, but let me say 460. I'll put it on 144 ticks. Give you a little bit more of what the price action is like. We dancing right around this point of control. There it is, pulling back. Put that one. All right, here we go. Get one more. Play it back up to 60. We'll play back up to 475. So we got two, and we'll play it back to 475. Kind of got in a little earlier, but you know. Go for 540. We'll do 520. We'll hold this. We'll hold this up to 520 and see if it can push back up here. It would be like 80 points. If I did it to 100 points, 549. Hmm, maybe. Maybe I do 549. Shoot for 500. See what happens. 549. Where is it at? Do 100 points. 540. It's a lot right there. All right, we'll hold for that one for 400 points. So we'll see how this goes. I think I'm gonna give up on this short over here. I hate to take this 16. I hate to take this $1,600 loss, so but I think I'm gonna have to. Just for it's not gonna work out right now. Not right now. So here we go. Ready and action. Just flatten. But if I take it, because we could come back down, I'll just hold it. We'll go up to 20. We'll go up to 30. 301 points. Then come back down. Maybe. NQ bullish June through July. January through June bullish. But we got that data coming out tomorrow. That might help me. The CPI data might save me. It might come out and it might bottom out. And I might be able to get out of this with a profit, surprisingly. I got 130 on these. Let's see, let's reset this. Up, pulling back. See, I'm also selling some stuff over here in my long term while I'm up. I'm up 10% on some stuff. I'm up 36% on some other stuff. Kind of taking some profits. I'm up 105% on OCG and Oxygen, and I'm up 110% on Apple. That's how long I've been had Apple. And Viewsy, I'm up 99%. Um, all right, we're pulling back up. Got a bounce off that. Was pretty quick. I'm down 10 on this. That's crazy. That's a crazy write-off. That's what I'm saying. So part of me is like, I hold on to this, to that one. just to be right. How much is it gonna cost me to like? I have it's gotta fall back. The market's gotta fall out of Earth. Go back to like oh, 4 hours. Go back to 27. Do I have to order in? I think no, they got the order in. I cleared it all out. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna do this order 4%. I'll do 10%. 10%. 10% will take me to 2608. Eight percent. Go to 27,000. So I'm gonna just hold it. Play this back to the downside. 27 2. 2753. And if it continues, I can just hit that. Or just be a gangster and just go right there. 25. So I'm gonna do that. Make it worth it. So now if that hits, that's down, what is that, 24, 25,000. Strategy. 25,000 would be. So they gave you seven. So we take it to 25, that'll give me seven. Yeah. That still won't make it even, but put it at three for that contract. That's me holding this. That's doing like no trading, just holding it. We'll see how it goes. And I might not be able to hold it that long. I'm just saying I would like to try to hold it that long. I mean, I could close it and just trade. That's a part of me is telling me to do. Just close it and just trade. Like, let me see. We got 130 days left before this contract is over. All right. 30 times that'll be 5,000. So if I just trade it, I can make that. All right, so I'm gonna close it. That didn't work out. The short didn't work, so we're gonna just close it. And we'll make this five. Just trading it. So cancel that. Close. Taking that loss. Took a huge L. Probably don't even have enough to get nothing else. Let's see. I'm thinking I ain't got enough money to buy one. Yeah, I ain't got enough. So just focus on this. That loss today, just now, that I just closed out. That was 292. Trades. So wasn't that bad. 292 on that on the loss. What does that leave me with the as long as I'm over 10, I should be all right. 12.
It happens. Like if it does run, you just like you kick yourself because like, hey, man, I could have taken this much, but then no, you're like, okay, I'm going for this much, and then it only goes 50. You're like, dang it, why was I up about all that? You know?
You know what I realized? Was like, yeah, 100%. You know what I realized today? I keep plates. I think you could just like you just find it's yourself, but then sometimes they don't explain what I mean.
Yeah,
But like in my mind, I'm seeing. I'm not drawing, but I'm seeing that like, let's say I go on my hand, I'm seeing that here's a fit level. There's an EMA. They're looking back like if I'm cultivating like that my brain in a
yeah,
split second. When I'm moving in return, you know,
exactly.
and some people go, why are you thinking of straight and I go sorry about I even had to I think I just played everything that I've seen.
Yeah. It's like hard. Sometimes it's like last second if you're taking a trade, like there's not enough time to sit there and explain to everybody what you're doing. Yeah, it's basically that. John, you think
And
the
sometimes
business
there's
statistics classes help close because they tell you about probabilities? Yeah, super valuable. I think that's something that we'll cover in the course for sure. I think that is very important.
yeah, game theory is very important. It's something that's not helpful for about one.
Yeah, I'm not familiar with that theory. Slowly before the course. At no point loss is going to cause you spending most of these decisions go against your always right this point to your issue. It sees it going down, it goes to the fight or flight. But I guess so. Unless it's still significant stats about that.
Yeah, game theory is very interesting, like to apply to learning. Like usually people use that for strategy, business plan, or let's say poker playing.
Horses can have a
All right, so what I did was I closed out that short that I was in because I've been fighting this market, basically giving away money, and it was a $1,600 L. So now I'm out of that. I'm free from that. Now I'm holding for this long. We're shooting for 30,000. So we're gonna shoot right now. We're at 29, 460. We're shooting for 29, 540. Yeah. And will that happen today? I don't know, but whatever we get, no more swinging. I guess that's what I should say. Here on out, just day trade only. Cause if I just do the $40 a day, I should be okay. Huh. And make some money. I ain't got to do all that swinging. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
One that could most like react out of one feeling.
And that's what I'm gonna have to do.
kind of have like call this percent range.
That's what I'm gonna do. Just buy one, get a little bit. Man, you know what? I remember I was trading oil one time. You can't do that now. That let me see how much that's worth now.
Right? Stays pretty blue, but a little bit of everything, but a little bit of and he predicted Trump would won.
This is now 29,000 divided. It was 3,000 before the war. Before the war, it was three. That's crazy, ain't it? And I mean, I'm not even lying. Like, look, activity. Let's go to my activity. Year to date.
That's not
Oh, natural gas. I was on gas, RB. So I'm on the wrong one. So let's go RB.
14, I think.
Shit, 6 RB.
So that's it. What did I want?
It's gasoline futures. So RBJ7. RBJ. RBM.
He's had a lot of wrong predictions too. Yeah, 100%. He's not winning that. He's like Nostradamus or something. He's like one of the
I don't know which one it was. I thought it was J.
probability. Very good at
RBK? No, May, June. I think it's September. RBU 6 September. Oh, no contract for RBU.
market seller company. Wow, what the heck was that? Yeah, a bunch of sellers coming in. Oh, it's stopping out. Yeah. Okay, my next buy area is 29,400.
Mm. I ain't pulling up nothing.
Science. SXC. Yeah.
Can't even trade it. Can't even trade gasoline.
Do I only trade long?
That's what's done happen. This is crazy. It's an RB M6. All right, there it was. There it is. So gasoline was what I was doing. 390, 359. This is June futures. So gas prices are going back down. 359. But I can't even. What I was saying, this was 3,000. So
Yeah, I see it.
look at that, 22,000. This used to be 13, $3,000. You could trade this.
I see that it probably wants to come down and make a higher low. Come down like 40, 50 points. See all that.
Can't get it. And I was killing it over here. But the war happened. Messed me all up.
Talk myself into it.
Firepower reduced by 22,000.
Pretty low res. Like pressure for that.
It's wild, ain't it? Gotta get back what I need to have up here. That QQQ and
Here, I'll do it just for you. Show it.
and and Q U 6. So we're pulling back though.
Yeah, there's like that album thing that I talked about. It has in his book something that says also that every single candle that closes, you can make a mistake with that trade. It's just a matter of but the reasonable take profit and the reasonable stop loss out of that candle.
Yeah.
So basically, every single candle that closes, you can make a decision to take a trade on it. Like no matter how that candle is, so it's a matter of understanding probability.
I tell you what, if they don't get those ships moving on, it's gonna be oil and gas gonna be going up. Oil is
So there's no right.
I don't really need to have the Qs on there.
Spec size of
Yeah. I forced it though on 440. Here, this time they show short order, but one spinning unfortunately.
So we pulled back. I probably should have closed out when I was at profit. I think we was at 80 and just dropped off. So maybe it's a liquidity grab or probably should have got out. Took that 50 when I had it. Thought about it, but I'm holding for 500, remember? Or 400. Can't say you got diamond hands and you don't hold, right? Just hold through it. 245s.
aggressive seller dynamics.
Yeah, I would love to long that 400 bro. It's a pretty strong push off.
So I'll probably pull back down to 4, so and then bounce. Maybe run back up. Or this could be the bounce right here. Like this order, this lot right here. This node to that node. I'm all the way up here. Nothing overnight. All right, retrace bouncing a little bit. Back even. Hopefully it's a liquidity grab and we pull and pop and go up to like 500. Just run it. Run it to 500. Yo, let's just go. Let's go. 500. You know what I'm saying? That'd be really cool. I ain't been live on TikTok in a while. I think I'll do that.
Four upwards, these lows. Respect what they're highs.
I'll TikTok live for Power Hour.
That's will take care of. should be almost instant. Make sure you don't have some documents to sign. So if you just made a brand new account, I think you have to sign a couple electronic documents. So that would be another 100%. It might be in your email or somewhere else. Somebody in the lenders.
Sometimes when you log in on ShareMate for the first time, like even sends it to like admin user please, and from there you start clicking the buttons and you sign everything. That's what I mean.
Yeah. Well, bro. Young man, your trading app is lagging a lot here in 15 minutes. I think that's you lagging. That ain't me. Should do any of your accounts access daily payouts once passed? Yes, the TPTs have daily payouts. Some of my funded futures accounts have daily payouts. So yeah, the funded accounts have now daily payouts. In Gandhi, you do not have different login password for balances. It's the same thing. It's the same login for the funded and the evals on Take Run the Trader at least. I'm sure it's the same for other platforms. A lot of sell and not much movement though. That's that thing. Control to join and you guys get it done. That's it.
Yo, TikTok, I'm live on TikTok right now. So let's see what's up with TikTok. TikTok has way more engagement. YouTube. So what we got over here? What up, Estate Lawrence? Y'all just joining me. I'm just getting ready for Power Hour. I got my volume profile in here, and I'm in a short. I mean, I'm in a long, but it's pulling back. So at the moment, I'm kind of down right now, down a couple points. Well, volume profile, this is the point of control right here. What I'm playing for is back to the upside to 25, I mean 29, 549. So I'm shooting for 100 point tick, 100 point play up to the upside. That's what I'm shooting for. That's what I'm aiming for. Will that happen? I don't know, but that's what I'm aiming for. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hopeful. So I had a short on earlier, man. I had been shorting this mug, like selling may and go away, but I was wrong because selling may and go away is not today apparently because I lost 16 on that 1600 trying to sell it may and go away. This year has not been doing the standard operating procedure. It does what it wants. You know what I'm saying? So I'm what up, Big Boss Peter? Cool, Big Boss Peter. That's a gangster name. Um, so I basically right now I'm just sitting even on this play. Um, and the day ain't over yet. It would be nice if we get a pop, but volume has been light and low trading volume. I think when it's low trading volume, if I'm not mistaken, I think that means it's more. Wait a minute, I'm trying to pay my credit card bill too. Look at something. I think when the volume is like that, that's not retail. It's mostly the institutions, banks, or whatever. Because I don't think we moving much up this high. You know what I'm saying? Really seems like that. But I was really thinking, but I'm going for the long at the moment. I gave up on my shorts. Looks like they're trying to target 30,000. We're 29.4. So we got 500 more, 600 more points to go. So
I'm gonna close these 2 points.
yeah, if I can catch 100 points before end of the day, that'll be crazy good. Power hour coming up in 7 minutes. I don't know if it'll happen or not. You never know. You really never know. Make America great again. What up, yo? For sure. Back when America was great. We great all the time, man. What you talking about, yo? We are great all the time. Unless you travel. Like if you travel, every country got its good things and its bad things, but it's some stuff there's some stuff in other countries that looks pretty cool, but I think it's because it's new and we kinda old at this point. So it's all good. Like you see the newer designs and buildings and things like that, but just talking about overall, as far as the country goes, we the shit, We are, we are the shit, the shit or a shit. I don't know. I'm probably gonna get offensive language for cursing, but like I said, I won't, so I don't care. Uh-oh, we're pulling back, we dropping. Mm, yeah, look at that drop. See, when it went even, I should have reversed it. Something told me to go short, and I didn't. Running my mouth. No, running my mouth. Maybe we'll pull back though, grab some liquidity and bounce. Come down to like 29, 420 or so. Bounce.
This is getting to the floor short block here. The Nasdaq is super far away from it. I think the US probably holds this. Nasdaq's gonna bounce once the S hits here. So like I don't think I've been able to take the strength of points.
All right, we should look for a bounce coming up.
Let's go push it.
I mean, looking at this on the ticks, it's looking bullish, pushing back up. Come back up and get above this 200 on the tick. Right now, we're just dancing on the 14. I mean, dancing on the, yeah, there it is, it's crossing. 14's crossing the 48.
Oh wait, I was targeting
Keep going. Let's go. There we go. Push up. Like I said, down 33 on this position right now. Do I have a pending payment? The bills don't stop, man, I tell you. At least we can afford to pay them. So I'm not going to complain or cry. Not going to complain, not going to cry. E-trade. What I got going on? I got open order. Measure it. Sell that. All right, let's go to that portfolio right quick. Oh, there it is. Bouncing down. Man, I really want to I'm kind of hating that I didn't get short. Looks like I'm at wait. Get it 400.
Across the 60. That was Poker Joker said sell half. I was only one Michael breakdown, though I can't sell half. Here it's the 5 minute bullish order block testing on the ES. If it holds it, Nasdaq might make the higher low here. But I think my really strong buy spot means that 29,400 or 20,100.
Yeah, my position is in the middle now. So I don't know.
So no, I want to hit my next set, but I want to see if this long fills. Come on. That was 3 points away.
389, 390. There it is. Should get a bounce on this.
This is 4
So
points. I hit my next set from
down 200. This is pretty shitty right here. I definitely should have closed that one out when I was even. Went short. Could have got that 200 down to the downside. It's his fault to get back up even with that. Should have saw that coming. So it looks like what we're gonna have is a sell-off. That's a huge dump that candle. I'll put this on the 1 minute. You'll see it. Look, watch. Looks like it just gapped down. Boom. Just fell out the sky. Back to the beginning. And I'm up here, which wasn't a bad idea earlier. Wasn't a bad idea when all this was going on. Again, my target's to the upside. Maybe we're grabbing some liquidity, come back up, push up strong. But it's the end of the day. I don't know. What up, Misha? It's getting kind of tricky up here. And it's long, and I'm down, but not out, not yet. And cubic cup bounce. What is oil doing? Oil's at 98. Mm, gas is at 360. QQQ 712. Spot is at 738.
oh no. Don't hit our stop loss.
Bitcoin is at 86, 82.
Wow.
Man, imagine having enough money to buy Bitcoin.
It's out of the candle.
I was thinking about I should just stop trading, right? And just keep my money. But all this stuff coming up, talking about tokenization and everything. I mean, I really don't. I don't know if that's going to be good or not. But you know, your money's digital anyway. You don't see anything. You know what I'm saying? So, really, kind of don't make a difference. Kind of really don't make a difference.
What's it takes size graphic use? 1,000 chart.
Waiting on that bounce. Seem like it's struggling though. What it's struggling now is to get past the point of control. See, the point of control is here. We're below the point of control. So, yeah. I gotta really start using some stop losses and stuff, but I don't. You know what I'm saying?
The
Jordan.
past several times it's been 5 long and 330 short.
But
I was saying last week, I wonder, like, whatever algorithm or
Let's wait. We'll stay long right now.
wonder if they switched them. I don't know. Eventually, they'll learn. They got our strategy, yeah. I don't know if it's like maybe some kind of market parameters. Maybe they switched it to the opposite. Maybe just
Definitely falling out.
maybe they alternate the months you get to buy or sell on. Maybe that. But it was interesting. It's like the complete opposite.
Mago, XRP, joint XRP, huh? If you got, I wonder how does that work? That blockchain stuff. This is the part.
Like legitimately on the dot at that time. Like when we talked about like the entries for like 10 points or whatever, like they did not hit 10 points. It was a complete reversal.
And we're still crashing out.
When the stuff on only go long, the charts tell different. I took a short, bro. Now I'm taking a long. The chart definitely is not telling me different right now.
Down here on the bottom end of the range.
Yeah.
We were just saying buy, like 3 minutes ago.
Now, earlier when we were here, we popped a little bit. I don't know if that's gonna happen now at the end of the day, but my position is in a shitty position. I'm all the way up here, but I'm gonna wait it out because I didn't take that stop and I didn't take that profit. I started to take that profit too when I was at 80. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, and didn't. You know what I'm saying?
So if there's like say buy, I'm buying, brother.
Yeah, sure. Okay, that was swept.
Bounce. He's sweeping.
It's swept by one.
Down by 20 points.
Buyers come back and push it for points.
All right, trying to curl. Then we can get a run. It's power hours. Officially power hours. 1500. 3 o'clock. Get us something going up here.
Like the only other block stop is huge hourly bullet shorted block. It's 16. And like that one has to have a huge stop loss. That's a 15-point stop loss. Yeah, look at that. Like right on the dot. Yeah, like right when 305, you see it, bro? Look on the 1,000 tick chart. See, like right when 305 happened, that's when the buys came in. Launched at 30 points. That is crazy.
All right, we're coming back now.
305, lost money. You didn't even get 1 point.
Hopefully that was a liquidity grab and we run up. Like I said, my target is upside to trying to get 500. I mean 100 points, man. Trying to get 29.5. 29.540. I won't even lie to you. Whatever it is at 4 o'clock, I'll probably stop.
That's almost got to be left on the set.
Let's see what we're gonna get. That'll work out. I gotta do a set right quick. Doing some bench pressing today. Keep his chest alive. Making America great again. Keep my body great again. All right, that was the set I did. 105 holding. Need some more liquidity. We'll probably pull back. Or pull back, get another bounce. Reload right here at 403 or 400. Then run again. I gotta trade better. I won't even lie to you because I should have took that profit earlier. Then I could be getting some money right now. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not. Just sitting here. Let's go.
What, and 5 points? Let's see the 3 points here. I feel like that's a conservative take profit zone. I think the full move would probably be 6 for my
Oh, it's crazy. What is another way to make money other than the stock market? All right, we're getting another push. Like real estate. Yeah. I do like Arrive though with Amazon. You can like invest in real estate, you know. I do like that. But it's kind of like a REIT, you know what I'm saying? But actual physical real estate, I don't know. I don't have the know it all. What is that? The knowledge to do it or the capital. But they say use other people's money according to Carlton Sheets. I remember listening to Carlton Sheets back in the day, and he used to say, "You want to use other people's money?" Yeah, good luck with that. And you probably can if you got it. I don't know, man. I don't have enough hustle for that. So for me, that's why the stock market is better. I don't like team sports. You know what I'm saying? Oh, like they just sent me code. I'm right now. I'm hearing this ringing in my ear, this buzzing sound, and it's like beep. It's crazy. Oh, it is hyper trader. They said I have a 99% sure signal and I have a powerful scalping trading strategy. Don't waste your time. Bro, I need help with that. 99%? Good grief. What is that? Showing your telegram. Oh, that's right, hyper trader. Cue us in, man. Tell us what's up, yo. Hyper trader. Give us some game. Just type it in the comments. Give us some game. What is this scalping strategy? This signal. What signal are you using? I won't even lie to you. I guess. I'm just guessing. I'll be like, I'm gonna buy here or I'm gonna sell here. I just push buttons like a
trade.
retard, like a degenerate. That's what I do, like a degenerate. A degenerate.
Action for the thing, you know?
Okay, oil looks like it wants to break that low. 5 launches.
So it looks like oil is what, 90, 97. Like we're coming down, so maybe we'll get a pump. No, like I said, we're pulling back, probably pull back down to 400 and then retrace, hopefully, get a pop.
to break this. Hello. We're hearing those sellers through them. Right.
Where we at? 4:15.
Stop now. Just because I want to trail pretty close. Yeah, I can that close. So I stop that down. We're holding it. 150 or nothing.
410, there it is, pulling back down to 400. Yep. Grab some liquidity and bounce. Let's go.
Got a little PPT action going on right now. Flashes are true. In that video, I've been underground, Brazilian fighting, big millions, 3D fights before starting the channel. Yes, sir.
We get a bounce. 400s. You can run up. I like to see maybe not such a deep pullback, but it looks like that's what it's going to give us. Hopefully, it don't go well. It's already past 400, but it's looking for this action right here, like boom, boom, and then up. Let's see. Looking for like a move, like boom, boom, and then up. Oh, got more, but that's it. That's what I'm looking for. Something like that. Boom, boom. Not down here. Don't want that.
That here's like the absolute perfect long at the 150. 1 minute bullish order block with only a 15 point stop.
So hopefully we keep going. Like I said, bounce. We didn't pull back that far. I don't want it to do that. I would like for it to stay there, but it keeps bouncing, pulling. This is not a trend line, by the way. That's what I need. It's like a bounce, boom. So I can be green. So I can be green on the day.
Bounce up here. And these order blocks, bro, they're so good. This one literally tapped in by 1 point, 1.5 points, and then bounced each one. Goldberg sell 2 more. Why? How long here, brother? It's going to go long Johnson to the upside. Here, let's see.
Just continue to bounce on up.
Have you ever heard of this? trade, Titans. These shorts,
TikTok, wow, they just said that my live contains things that some may find uncomfortable and has been restricted hate speech and hateful behavior. Who said what? I ain't even talking about nothing but the stock market. These fools are wild, yo. That's why I don't be wanting to go live because they be enforcing little soft rules on you. Now I'm talking shit. Now I'm gonna talk shit. Say what I want. It's restricted, huh? There is no hateful behavior. Who said this was hateful behavior? It's literally nobody on here. Yo, let me get some gifts, yo. Hit me up. If you here, give me some gifts. Shout it out. You know what I'm saying? How about every time the stock market, every time I lose $1, every time I lose $10, slide me a gift. What about that? I'm down now, 199. This is not working out. Down 210. There it is, 10 more dollars. Down 10 more dollars.
Here we go, Titans. We got Poker Joker short. Let's show them what we're made of. Diamond hands, baby.
Holding though. Some gifts in the chat. Let's see what's going on. I'll invite Liz, the co-host. I don't even know what this means. Couldn't invite.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
What is that mean?
It's short strings.
Show your scene, contact live with a host. All right, let's try that. So it looks like I'm gonna co-host with Liz Nagal. Whoever it is. Whoever that is, stop it like this. We're crashing though. Still going down. Still crashing out. I just don't even know what that is with this host and stuff. But anyway, I guess it says I'm co-hosting with Liz Nagal. So shout out to Liz. And I don't have my camera on. Dang, look at that. We're still dropping. We're at 200 now. Need to pop off this four. We're below the 400 level. This power hour has turned out not to be so powerful, yo. At least not for me. You know what I'm saying? Uh, my little thesis so far. We're on this trend. That's not what I'm doing, the trend line, but this is what I need to happen. And that's not what's, I won't say it's not happening because it's kind of happening, but look at, I can make anything, make the trend look. I can make it look right. I can do this. I can say, dang, need some Tory trade stuff. Like, boom. Look like I'm smart. Boom. Look at that. Hit that. Hit the bottom. Boom. And run up. That's what we need. But right now, we're just sitting down here at the bottom. We have light volume. We got light volume and what else? I don't know. I really think I'm not sure why when volume is light like that. I think it's institutional traders. Let's see. Well, yeah, lack of volume, like low volume is lack of buyers. Oh man, this is bottoming out. Broke below that trend. Not what we needed at all. Again, I should have went short earlier. This thing's trash. This is trash, yo. Man, we broke him down below that. That's terrible. Hmm. This should be a liquidity grab. Some buyers down there, 280, 300. There's some liquidity down at 300, 340. So it looks like we might be going back down that way. 360. Maybe we hit 360 and we bounce and then run up, but right now not looking so good. Not looking so hot right now. Not looking so hot. See, so it's some volume here, some liquidity. Unless we break through here and just collapse out. I'm really gonna be pissed off if that happens because I was short earlier. Just screw the pooch. Let's get a bounce off this. Last time we were in this area, we got us a bounce up, but we need more because I need to get at least get green on this play. Definitely. What do we got? 30, about 28 minutes, 30 minutes. All right, let's go. Let's get a bounce. We need more conviction. We need some buyers to come in here. Let's get it, yo. Let's go. Mm. Yeah, this is pretty weak. Nobody is trying to buy this market up. Let me do a set right quick. Sitting here watching this stuff I would say it's stressful, but it's not. I really don't care. One way or another. It's up or down. Let's just begin with. All right, it's 3:30. Halfway through power hour, and we don't have nothing going on. We are down 283 on this position. Ah, boy, 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 boy. We need a bounce. Don't know if we're gonna get it. So far, it looks like we're long and the market is pulling back and it's short. I'm also trying to decide whether or not close out my E-Trade account and just operate within my 401k as far as the stock market goes. Just keep my capital. I don't know, man. Tokenization. Tokenization is the process of replacing sensitive data like credit card numbers with unique non-sensitive identifier called tokens, represent real-world assets like real estate and stocks, digital tokens on the blockchain. It enhances security by making data useless to attackers and improves efficiency in digital transactions. I mean, so tokenization should be good. Uh, Asset tokenizations, Web3 blockchain. Digitalizes assets, real estate, fine art, securities on distributed ledger, allowing for increased liquidity and fractional ownership. So how it works, tokenization system maps the original sensitive data to a token and stores the original securely in a typically encrypted digital vault. The benefits of tokenization, the benefits. Benefits, it reduces the risk of fraud, data breaches because tokens cannot be reversed to find the original data without a secure vault. I don't have a secure vault. Do you have a secure vault? I don't have a secure vault. I don't know. All right, I'm hoping that pullback was a liquidity grab and we run up and close this mug out like gangsters, you know what I'm saying, to the upside. Um, Back to what I was saying, thinking about closing out my E-Trade account, man, and just operating with my forest stocks, operating within my 401k. You know what I'm saying? Like if I do that, then what? Nothing really, but thinking I might do it. Like, let's see something. Close out some stuff. What we got? We got 300. Nah, I'm gonna keep it. I'll keep it. That's 2 plus 12 is 14. 14,000. 2 plus 12 is 14. We're getting a bounce, slight, but the volume looks light. Yeah, I need the 2 plus 12 is 14, 14. Get 14 over here. We got 2 plus 12 is 14. It's going to be 19. 20 plus 25. Oh, that didn't last long. It collapsed right back out. So that's what I'm thinking is that keep running out of gas. Keep running out of gas, yo. Trying to get it, but no volume. Either way, just for me to be green, man, a miracle gotta happen in the next 20 minutes. And it don't look like that's what's gonna happen. Looks like some profit taking is taking place at my expense. Yeah. What do we have tomorrow? Let's see what we got. We got we got a new Federal Reserve coming up, and this guy, I think he's not gonna be doing a whole lot of meetings and talking like Jay Powell was, so that should be good. We won't have nobody always yapping. So maybe what do we have? We have today is the 11th. Japan has a bond auction tonight at 11:35. That might move the market a little bit. Bank of Japan summary of opinions. That's at 7 p.m. What else is happening? We had existing home sales at 10. That was not good news. Let's see. Forecast was 4.05 million. And what they got was 4.02 million. Yeah, that was at 10 o'clock. What happened with that? Did anything happen at 10? Was that noteworthy? Let's put this on the 15 minute. Let's see what happened at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is when that news dropped, that data dropped at 10. Market didn't, yeah, it kind of bottomed out a little bit. All right, but then it came right back up. See, we're pushing down on the 15 minute. That's downward, with a shooting star joint or whatever they call it, but it's down bearish. Not necessarily good on 15 minute. Mm, not good at all. Yeah, we're just coming down further now. 300. I ain't gonna close this out until the market closes. And even then, I might not, because we might just, like I said, bounce here. We at the point of control. We're close enough to the point of control where we could bounce and pop up. I was really expecting it to go up further though. And something I should have did is when earlier we came down here, we went up. I should have got out there, but I didn't, because that was my chance. Because it barely made it. When it barely made that and did that double top, that's when I should have got out. But I wasn't really focused. I was yapping and lifting weights. This thing on here says looking for creators to co-host with. I don't know what that's all about. No thanks. know about this adding people in to create that. I guess you talk. That's the thing where you're talking shit with each other. I'm not doing that. I'm just trading. All right, we're getting the bounce. So we're gonna push. Got 20 minutes to the close, yo. 20 minutes to the close. Let's go. So I made my mind up. I'm not gonna close my E-Trade account either. I'm gonna keep it open. You know what I'm saying? Tomorrow, red folder day. Tomorrow, red folder day. We got core CPI at 8:30 in the morning. ADP, employment change, and we got CPI. Man, all that's right there is red folders. What that's gonna do, I don't know, man. I don't know if this is like a pull up so that we can fall back or what, but I probably don't want to be in there. Or this could just be the pullback and then we pop up to 30, but we're already up so high, so that might be why we're running up so they can close it. Also tomorrow, tentative Fed chair nomination vote, and that's supposed to be a pass. And then Goolsby speaks tomorrow. Big day for the Federal Reserve, yo. But CPI, core CPI, and all that, we already know what consumer price of inflation is, though, man. Gas is high, yo. Look at that. That didn't make it at all. This is a fucking downtrend. Period. This thing is really not trying to work with me on this. I mean, it's basing a little bit. It's not breaking too far below, but we didn't touch that one, two, three, four, 5 times. It'll probably break the next time it hits that level. Let's see. Not that this gonna mean anything. I'm just gonna put this in here. Probably break if it hits that level again. Bounce before. That's four. What is it? One, two, three, four bounces. So the fifth one might be the breakthrough, which is really suck. But I'm really expecting to turn up. I need that. I would like that. You know what I'm saying? So this can get green. But it's definitely not trying to. It's not trying to. It's trying to do what it wants to do. Yeah. Right along with VWAP. Need a push up. Speaking of push ups, do some bench pressing right quick. So many bags under my eyes. My eyes so puffy. I look like a Dalmatian. Like somebody punched in the face. I got punched in the face, in the place, placed in the face, in the punched in the face. Angry Lisa. Hey girl, don't be mad. What does that say? Angie Lisa. Angie Lisa. Sorry. I can't see good. All right, that's the six. Let's see, what's that? One, two, three, four, five. Fifth one. So this next one probably break it through. Will probably collapse. And I will not be happy.
I prefer the 5 minute chart over
Market doesn't care how I feel, does it?
1,000 charts kind of nice. You know, I haven't gotten interested in it. It shows, I don't know, it shows the movement a lot cleaner than time charts. Thanks.
1, 2, 3, 4. We're just hanging out down here. Definitely in a downtrend. Running out of time. 15 minutes left. Like I might have to take this L.
It's a perfect consolidation right on the VWAP. Right on the VWAP.
I'm hoping for is that we get some what is that called, liquidity, and bounce, pull a bull flag, bounce.
It's a terrible spot to open on the short. Like you could set your stop. Although I think it's higher probability shut here. 50 points plus easily. There's like way too much. Way too many rings. That's again very strong. You got the VWAP. You have this level being at a strong support already at 3 times. And you got already multiple tests and downside elements. Pretty nice market on close. Maybe a buy order, bouncing more than seeing sellers.
All right, we're making a move up. I don't know if it's gonna be a good move. It's gonna gas out like it has before. Ran out of gas twice already here.
Then a double up. Just 50 points. Get multiple blended lens. I'll take it for almost 50 outside.
All right, we're back up over the 200. Still not high enough though, not where we need to be.
First one.
Here we gonna move some more. You need to be at 449 just to get barely even. So we're looking for like 470, 480. Let's go. Catch those shorts down there. Gas is at 98. Oil, crude oil. Gas at 359, 360. All right, pulling back, running out of gas. Just barely got ready. Looking at. Don't make a liar out of me, yo. Remember I said earlier I should get out next time we get here. No, we need to go push some more. Need to push some more. Let's go. Bounce. There we go. This is just on the day. We need to get even on this play. That's what I'm talking about. I'm up here. We can do it. Got 10 and 9 minutes. 9 minutes left on the squeeze.
Okay, so at the very top, we are up $12,000 across all accounts. We put that in the spreadsheet. So on max, it should make profit was $12,000. Let's see if we can get the trades to be paying up to be push. Price action, I would say, is pretty clean. We were able to take pretty much all the order blocks. They've all been in play very well today. But I've only really taken order blocks to the upside. I ignored bearish order blocks. The only time I took into account bearish order blocks was to take profits. So I took half off right before this bearish order block right here. Let's push up.
All right, let's go. We need to push on up, yo. Still got a lot of ways to go. We need to get to 440. We have 50 points. We need 50 points. We would like to have 50 points. 100 would be perfect. All right, cool.
There's only one time that it broke through by 1 point.
So,
Start 65. Other times it's case it doesn't actually break highs. I should take the 60 for all the education you give us and appreciate you wanting to go every month. I appreciate you, man. For that, thank you.
fill it with 20. 40 minus 20 is 20. 41 minus 20. 42 minus 20 is 22.
I stop by 100 points. My stop.
All right, pulling back.
It's missed my stop by 1 point.
Keep running. We need to keep running. Double digits down from triple digits. Double digits is better than triple digits. Let's go.
Yeah, I didn't have to play, but that's how they get you today.
So Karen.
One bet plays. That's funny. Need 104 for belt target. Should I still go long or not? Question. Um, let me have that.
See, are you making money today? Making any money today, or are you doing like me, being a degenerate and gambling? Let me know what you got going on. Put a dollar sign in the chat if you made some money today. Right now we on a run. We coming up, getting green on the day. 470 probably is gonna be our top. We'll probably maybe we'll close out when we hit that. But we gotta keep pushing. Can't get out yet. Target's 470.
Past $3 mutual fund instead.
Where we at? Pulling back. There it is. All right. We're gonna get some liquidity, or we just gonna trap the longs up here right before the market closes. Got 3 minutes before the market closes. 3 minutes before the market closes.
Sometimes you just gotta cut it. And then you go. Cut it from the meat that you have to know. Can't be revenge streaming. That's the one thing that'll take away all your confidence. I'm preaching to the choir, obviously. It seems hasn't seen me blow accounts off a lot of times.
Unless there's some outro music. Money Machine.
Robinhood Gold, you can instantly start earning 3.35% APY with high yield cash. Six full sides. Green. The money machine. The money machine. The money machine. Money money. You know what? Trust you good. You know how. The train make money now. If you want to life, start early for the in life. Say 10K, say 5K, say 1K, invest 5K, pay off that 10K, say 1K, let's go. I know the way. Don't spend all you have. Say from your vest, go to the last half, get the last laugh. Green. The money machine. The money machine. The money machine. Read a book, knowledge inside. Buy low, sell high. Stocks, bonds, ETFs. What's left? Mutual funds, real estate, so subscriptions. Money manage your money. Make less friction. This ain't no story, this is not fiction. It's your life. It's history in the making. And it's all yours for the taking. Stocks 150. Stock market. You can go and get with it. Stock market. You can go and get with it.
Red or green. The money machine. Hey, the money machine. Money machine. Red or green. The money machine. Money machine. Money machine. All right, we're pulling back. See if we can close out and squeeze up. All right, so now it looks like we're gonna give it up. I don't know. I need to squeeze up. We'll run up. Up, dropping out. All right, yo, 403. We're gonna close out, like I said, get a little squeeze up. Right now, like he's trailing off. We need green though. We need a lot. Green. The money machine. We're not breaking above that 48 right now. It's looking a little weak. Looking a little weak. All right, yo. I'm gonna sign out. Peace. Fox 150, yo. Take it easy. We out. All right, yo. I'm out. Peace. What we did today, we took a $46 loss. 36. Let me turn this down. Looks like we're taking a $40 loss so far. So we're closing out on an L. Not closing out on an up. On an L. But, we'll see. We get us a pullback. Yeah. All right, yo, I'm out. Peace.